Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video today on the NASDAQ, kind of updating everybody what's going on in the world, and what I'm looking forward going into tomorrow, which is Thursday, March 12th, 2026. Um, so today was the Wednesday move. We extended lower pre or post market. During market hours, though, we were pretty inconsistent, volume wise. I mean, I was trading the open today, not much volume off the open at all, which is yeah, it's very unexpected and unlikely to happen. You don't really see that too often, so that kind of shows like buyers and sellers are both pretty comfortable at that level one. Two, it also shows that there's not a significant amount of buyers or sellers because both of the sides they weren't that aggressive today, um, or earlier in the New York session. Now it's Thursday, so Thursday post market Asian sessions now dumping lower, down almost 1% on the day actually. Um, and I was just going over a few points that I want to be looking at. So this micro range fair value, this is the fair value, one of the fair values where buyers and sellers like to trade, throughout this entire range that we've experienced since 2.5. So beginning of February is kind of when we experienced that first thing. And that's kind of the micro range fair value that I think will be a pretty good draw too. And then also we have the point of control and the micro fair value as well. This range is definitely more significant than this range, but we've seen the breaking. We've seen two broke past that, extending lower pre-market. So my idea going into tomorrow is to just watch because what I also want to go over before I get into anything else is the CVD, the cumulative volume delta on a daily time frame. It hasn't extended this far up, um, since the range began, and we broke past that to yesterday, which is Wednesday, which is also today. I know it's a little bit confusing, but we technically are in the next day and Thursday trading hours. So this could just be a bear trap. I mean, Trump, or not Trump, but the U.S. FBI said to California today to watch out for Iran strikes on U.S. soil. So I'm guessing that does cause a little bit of panic, especially in the Asian markets, because they're the first ones to trade it. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at. And then I'm looking at this range actually for a potential trade as well, because if we don't see that 24,650 level or that micro range fair value, by tomorrow, then we should see this push back up into the 25, maybe the 25, but most definitely that 24,850 level. So those are some levels to be watching out for as the week progresses, especially that 25 level that I've been talking about for a few of my videos now. That 25 level is holding as very strong resistance, and that strong resistance is kind of what's going to be, I'm going to go over here. So that strong resistance is going to be the factor in what decides if the sellers or buyers are in motion, who's in control of this market, right? I mean, with this break lower pre-market today, it's not looking that great. I mean, we just looked at the weekly time frame as well. It doesn't look that great either. So yeah, this is the daily on Nasdaq, which I was talking about before. 130 couldn't break it till today, where we broke it. On the weekly time frame, though, we are sitting still in positive delta, but looks like the sellers were pretty aggressive this week. But yeah, I mean, we do know for a fact that 24.5 or 24.50 is a level that can potentially be tapped into again, depending on what happens, as the next week goes on. But I mean, I'm still looking for longs here. I'm not really flipping my bias, and honestly, I do really want a long here, just based off the fact that we're in a low volume node, and I think that that 24.830 level is going to be acting as some pretty strong, um, or like as a magnet, I guess you could say. So I'm going to be setting a trade here with a very micro Nasdaq. We'll take one position. We're going to probably risk around $200. So this is 500 ticks, which is $250. We need to aim for 1 to 2. So this would be 1,000 ticks. Hopefully to see that 25 level be tapped into again. But yeah, that's kind of it, guys. I hope everybody enjoys this video, or my videos in general. I know I really don't have much subscribers at all or get any views, but hopefully if you guys see this in the future and I start to pop off a little bit, I just want to say I appreciate all the support. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this little quick video, kind of explaining what I'm looking for going into tomorrow, and going into the next week as well. But yeah, with that being said, I hope everybody has a good rest of your night, and please stay safe.